Hello and welcome to the greatest video on YouTube, where I ride my motorcycle across South Dakota. Well, I got my truck, but yeah, you get the idea. Where I'm riding my KTM across South Dakota. We bared the Badlands in the previous episode, and in this episode we deal with some weather that I am definitely not used to.
Oh, this rain hurts so bad. Trying to enjoy myself and somebody has to rain on my parade. You just get out of here.
I'm from Missouri, bro. 10 hours away.
Elevation feels weird.
We must navigate the Black Hills, ride through a treacherous storm, and get to the doorstep of Mount Rushmore. But first, this video is brought to you by Raid Shadow. Alright, that's it. I'm kidding. I haven't made it yet. Do all the things down below if you like this video. If you didn't, alright. Anyway, let's get into the episode.
Start it up.
Alright y'all, so I am currently in Keystone, South Dakota. Black Hills area is all around here. Basically is what we're going to be doing today. Custer State Park, it's in the Black Hills area. Mount Rushmore is over in that direction. Luckily I found some free parking right here. Gonna leave the old ramrod right here. We're gonna go out exploring on the KTM. I'm not gonna bring gloves today. Got really bad tan lines going on, so I'm gonna try to rock it without the gloves. We're gonna head that direction. I'll show you a little bit of Keystone. We'll go through Custer State Park. Got a little bit of a storm right over there. We ain't gonna stress on it too much. The Harley riders hate me here. Just with the bike in the back of the truck, they're giving me a stare down everywhere I go. But yeah, this is Keystone, South Dakota. It's a really cool style town, old western style town. You see a lot of that out here in South Dakota, especially out west and into Wyoming and into Montana. They're still heavy with the western stuff around here, and that's so cool to see. I love that stuff. Obviously this is Harley country out here. I feel so naked riding without gloves. Feels so weird. More with the western style buildings. Even got a Dairy Queen there. Yeah man, the people around here are just so cool. This is the area of Mount Rushmore, as you can see there. Mount Rushmore National Memorial. Yeah, that's why we're doing Custer State Park right now. Man, I am excited. I won't go too fast right off the bat because I don't want to catch up to cars. I accidentally did start driving this in my truck. I did. Y'all might think this is Harley country, but this is really supermoto country. Man, this is such a cool road. And this area is notorious for wildlife. Obviously not only the views, but Mount Rushmore is right here. Get some pretty crazy views around here. And the tunnels are really cool. So we're going to be coming up on some one-lane tunnels, and these bridges are really cool. That's what I meant to say. What's up, brother? I wanted to hit a little no-hander, but I got nervous. Again, it is a holiday weekend, so there's probably a little bit more traffic than normal. Today is a Friday. Look at this, man. Shoo! I'm such a goon in corners, man. See, I already caught up with a car. I don't want to be passing. I'm not trying to be a total asshole. Anybody there? Oh, we're golden. Shoo! So this is a 3-mile drive with very twisty turns, one lanes, tunnels, bridges, you name it. Such a unique drive for South Dakota, and it's absolutely beautiful out here. And some of the wildlife that you might see is possible encounters with black bear, elk, reindeer, cougars, bobcats, bighorn sheep, pronghorn sheep, another bridge, and of course buffalo. Although buffalo does usually stay in the plains, however, they could wander down some of these roads very easily. Hope that guy didn't think I was revving at him. Appreciate him letting me over though. I've yet to see any buffalo or any kind of wildlife yet this weekend. That might be because it's been really warm. Yesterday was really warm. Today is actually pretty cool. I don't know, I need to keep my eyes open, see if I see any. If I do, I'm gonna try to get some footage on my phone because I know the GoPro won't do very good with picking that up. It's not so much you. I'm not trying to sound like a mother, a worried mother or anything, but on these scenic roads, you got a lot of scenic drivers that are not paying attention, and when the roads are already this narrow, makes it that much more dangerous. So I have not seen any more from here. This is where I flipped around on my truck. Drop back, drop back. Ah, I couldn't get the corner. If I don't see a buffalo this weekend, I'm just gonna go buy one out of the freezer section. After Custer State Park, I heard Iron Mountain Road is another really cool road around here. I'm not sure which direction it is or how long that'll take me. I may go grab a place to stay first and then go exploring that, but that depends on what time I wrap up here. And man, the view is beautiful. South Dakota, man. Currently coming into Keystone, it's about 5,000 feet. Oh, there's a scenic overlook. We're gonna go to the scenic overlook and I'll tell you what elevation we're at right now. Sure.
Holy shit.
Alright, so currently at the peak of this hill of Custer State Park, the elevation is 53 to 5,400 feet. Absolutely beautiful out here. Come on, give me a bear or something. Can you rent side-by-sides out here? I keep seeing all those Rangers and they all got helmets on. I feel like you can rent those or something. What's this? What's this? What's this? Oh, it's not a road. Pull-off spot. No hands! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. How's my audio sound in this new helmet? I know it's kind of a random time to ask, but I recently got a new lid, if you guys have noticed or not. It's the Icon Variant Pro. I'm gonna spend some time with it, and then I'm gonna probably make a video about it. Let's check out this area. Well, that's embarrassing. No wonder the Harley riders don't wave at me. Lakota Lake. What we got back here? What y'all doing? Water's pretty clear. Man, this is cool. Even come with a pair of socks if you need them. Let me go check it out. Lakota Lake, very cool. little to my knowledge of researching this, Iron Mountain Road is Custer State Park, so I thought those were two different things, but they are not. I got a picture by the sun. Oh good, I was recording. That was embarrassing. Needles Highway. So is Needles Highway the same thing? Guess we're gonna find out if this loops me back. If this loops me back to right where I was. If y'all are ever down in life, not knowing what to do with yourself, wish you were more social, wish you had more confidence to go do things on your own, buy a street legal dirt bike and a cheap truck, go see the country, the world. I look forward to these trips so much, and it makes each day go by a little bit easier knowing that I got more trips planned. I'm gonna see more of the world. I'm gonna see it from a position that most people don't get to. Harley riders. On a dirt bike, you can go so many places. I will suggest, don't buy an old dirt bike. If you're gonna do it right. Buy a newer dirt bike. What's up, FZ, bro? And just travel, man. Like, buffalo are dangerous. Do not approach. The cool air is kind of setting in. I'm not gonna stress on it yet. I'm not too far from Keystone, South Dakota. Custer State Park's right outside of that, so it shouldn't be a big deal. I do have an extra bottle of fuel. I'm not gonna take it out of my bag, but you can kind of see it there. I might actually stop and put on a different ND filter so it's not super dark for you guys. A little bit dark. Wipe this off a little. And then all right, hopefully you can see a little bit better. I got my own problems. Oh man, I just know if it rains, it's gonna be so cold of rain. I ain't got that humidity setting in yet like I do back home. Now South Dakota has a little bit of that cool still in the air. Network connection troubles. There is some lightning. I'm gonna hope that I can dodge the storm. It's over this direction right now, and that's the way I'm going. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. It was bright and sunny just a little bit ago. Come back. That car had rain on it, just saying. So welcome to Needles Highway, everybody. I kind of jumped into the middle of it, I guess. And it is getting chilly, holy shit. I feel the rain drop. Holy shit. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Corey, what'd you get yourself into? No, 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 no. Is there anywhere I can go right now? Ah, no, this sucks. No. No, quit it. Quit raining. Quit. It is cold rain. Oh my God, I was afraid of that. I'm trying to enjoy myself, and somebody has to rain on my parade. I'm still out here enjoying myself, even with the lightning. And the really slick roads. It is so slick. No acting stupid, Corey. Hopefully y'all can see. Oh, it's so cold. I need a big tree. It's cold. It's coming down harder. This is because I said the weather was perfect earlier, wasn't it? How about this tree? Hey, this ain't bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. This rain is so cold right now. I am freezing. Not a big deal though. Hopefully it passes. Does it look like it's gonna pass? I don't know. Alright y'all, I'm freezing. I'm just gonna go, but I'm going up here. Didn't put Rain X on this visor, and I wish I did, man. Oh, bro, is there an awning? There's a cave. Oh man, I'm glad that didn't fall out. Guys, I don't know how much of this you're gonna see from here. There's no sign of the rain letting up for the next hour or so. Right now it's the lightest that it's been, and it's just a slow drip. Oh, this rain hurts so bad. It's so cold. Oh, did you see the lightning? It's got to be like low 60 degrees right now. Now that I'm moving, my truck's actually accurate. It's reading 54 outside. When I see an end to the storm under this clear sky down here. All right, KTM. Oh, I'm feeling my shoes so bad. I know I asked a lot of you, KTM, to carry me all the way out here to keep me safe. Bring some feeling back to my hands, please. I've been caught in some bad rains. I don't want to say this is the worst, but this is probably the coldest. Got stuck in hail one time. That was definitely worse. It makes me have to pee. Just go, man. Just go. 7 miles of twisty roads. Did I say this one? Is this a quicker route? Yeah, this will take me there. It almost looks faster. About the same distance between. All right, everybody. I'm 3 miles from Keystone. I'm officially on the right path. It's times like these that you gotta be appreciative of, because God throws them at you because he knows you can handle them. He knows it'll make you stronger. You gotta enjoy the beautiful things in life. Even if the beautiful things are rainy, you can hardly see, and cold, you gotta take it while you can get it, man. I'll update y'all when I'm back to the truck.
Surprise, I forgot my outro. So enjoy this one from earlier.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe. That lets me know that you guys like these adventure riding stuff, these solo adventures. Get out there and do it for yourself, man. I appreciate you guys supporting me and showing love always. But anyway, y'all, that's gonna do it for this one, and until next time, peace.